Hello everyone, it's the 22nd of December and today we're going to draw a stocking hung by the fireplace. Let's get started. Put the flag in front of you, number 22, stocking. And first let's draw the fireplace, камин. Draw a square this way. And one more square inside, following the outlines of the first square to make it look 3D. Чтобы наш камин выглядел объемным. 3D изображение, 3D picture. Here we'll draw a semicircle. It's the open fireplace and inside there is fire. You can draw the first curve, then one more curve, one more here, and the final curve. Good. The stocking. You start from the center of the top of the fireplace and draw a rectangle like this. Then two lines coming out of this rectangle. And the stocking. Here we go. I want to decorate my fireplace with some pine branches. Веточки еловые. I'll draw this zigzag line all the way from the left to the right, like this, and finish on the right. You can also draw a bow. You remember how we can draw a bow? A circle and two triangles on both sides, and two raindrops to make it look realistic, to make it look 3D, and some wrinkles. Now we can color the fireplace. I think I'll use the red color for the bow. The red color for the stocking too. The blue color for the top part of the stocking. The green color for the pine branches here. With these pine branches and this bow, the fireplace looks really Christmassy and festive. The fireplace is going to be orange. The fire is orange as well, but I think I'll leave some space for the yellow color too. And color the outlines red. Look this way. The fire looks really hot and realistic. The inside of the fireplace is gonna be black. And the fireplace itself, I think I'll make it light orange and decorate it with some lines showing that it's made of bricks, кирпичи. Look, I'll take my black pencil, I think, and draw horizontal lines like this, and then add some vertical lines. The inside of the bow is black Wow, I really like my fireplace and the stocking and the bow, and the fire looks so real. I fold the flag and now I'm gonna stick it onto the ribbon. Do you know why people hang stockings on the fireplace? Yes, you're right, because at night when everyone is sleeping, Santa Claus comes home and puts wonderful presents into stockings. But our Santa Claus, Дед Мороз, doesn't put presents into stockings. He puts presents under the Christmas tree. But if you want, I think you can hang a stocking too, and maybe he'll give you 2 presents this year. A big one under the Christmas tree and a small one into the stocking. That's a good idea. You can use it. See you tomorrow, my friend, when we're going to draw skis. Bye bye and thanks for watching.